Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam dispatched us and we were 300 riders, while Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah was our Amir. We were in the ambush of the caravan of the Quraysh. We stayed on the coast for half a month. We were overtaken by extreme hunger and we even consumed the tree leaves. That is why it was called the Jaishul Khabat, detachment of leaves. The sea washed up an animal called amber for us. We continued eating it for half a month and applying its fat to our bodies until our bodies became strong. The reporter said Hazrat Abu Ubaidah radiyallahu anhu took one of its ribs, erected it, got the tallest man of the detachment to mount the tallest camel, and that camel passed under that rib, and many men sat inside its eye socket. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says, we extracted such and such number of pitchers of fat from its eye socket. We had a sack of dates along with us. Hazrat Abu Ubaidah radiyallahu anhu would dispense a handful of dates to each of us. Then he started giving only one date to each of us. And when the supply of food got exhausted, we knew that the dates had finished now. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4975.